Windy days at Bastion Point, the winter's breath so cold. Lake breaks free, a second path, a sight so brave and bold. Rainbows arch and waves do rise, nature's vibrant song. In Mallacoota's wild embrace, where we all belong. Oh, dance, oh dance, the rainbow shine. Bastion Point, your view we find. With waves and wind and sky so round, we dance upon this ancient land. Gulls above in breezes strong, the trees they twist and sway. Surfers dream of waves so high, but none will ride today. Too cold the wind, too fierce the storm, the waves they crash alone. In Mallacoota's wild embrace, the spirit finds its home. Oh, dance, the rainbow shine. Bastion Point, your view we find. With waves and wind and sky so round, we dance upon this ancient land. Feel the rhythm of the rain as it taps a lively tune. Nature's beat, it never fades beneath the sun or moon. Tales of old and whispers bold in every drop and gale. In Mallacoota's wild embrace, the heart will never fail. Oh, dance, the rainbow shine. Bastion Point, your view we find. With waves and wind and sky so round, we dance upon this ancient land. Rainbows fade, the waves subside, the day comes to an end. In Mallacoota's wild embrace, the spirit's song will blend. With wind and rain in harmony, we sing the final chord. In Bastion Point, where nature's tales are endlessly adored.